government class Ahmednagar. Last lecture discussed the already problem and today's lecture discuss the solutions. So first of all, subject name is Advanced Financial Management and unit first shareholder value and financial planning. Topic name is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement discuss the already one problem and solution. Previous lecture the already one and today's lecture second problem solutions. Problem second already discussed the previous lectures and solution. Today discuss the solution. Show the first one cash flow statement of Surya Limited. Cash flow statement of Surya Limited. Limited for the year 2019. Year 2019. This is a particular and this side rupees and rupees this side. Okay, so the problem first of all cash flow. First one is cash flow from operating activity. Cash flow. Show the balance sheet liability side. Cash flow from operating activity. From activity. Profit before tax and extraordinary item. Profit before tax and extraordinary item 55,000 in rupees column 55,000. Show next one adjustment. Show the additional informations. Show the adjustment. Depreciation on machinery. Show the last additional information. Depreciation charge on machinery was rupees 30,000. Show the depreciation on machinery. First one depreciation on machinery. Depreciation on machinery 30,000. This is the last additional informations. And next one operating profit before working capital. Show the total 85,000. This is called operating profit before working capital. This is the operating profit before working capital means cash flow from operating activity. Show the cash flow from operating activity, profit before tax and extraordinary items. Show the balance sheet 2019. liability side, already 2 year, show the 2 years balance sheet. First one is 1 lakh minus closing balance 4 lakh. 1 lakh minus closing 40,000, sorry 40,000. 40,000 is equal to 60,000. And next one is increase in bills payable. Show the liability side. Increase in bills payable. Increase in bills payable. Show the liability side. 40,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 20,000. Increase in stock. Show the asset side. Increase in stock. Increase in stock. Excluding debtors acquired by issue of shares. Excluding debtors acquired by issue of shares. By issue of shares. By issue of shares. 80,000 minus 50,000 minus 20,000. This is equal to 10,000. And next one is increase in debtors. Increase in debtors. Increase in debtors. Excluding debtors acquired by issue of shares. Excluding debtors acquired by issue of shares. By issue of shares. Issue of shares. 1 lakh is equal to 30,000. 1 lakh is equal to 30,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 40,000. 40,000. This total is 1,15,000. This is a cash outflow from operation. Cash outflow from operation. Cash outflow from operation. Show the first one, cash flow from operating activity. Under profit before tax and extraordinary item 55,000. Adjustment means additional information. Last additional information. Depreciation on machinery 30,000. Operating profit 20,000. And next one is increase in bills payable. 40,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 20,000. And next one is increase in stock excluding debtors acquired by issue of shares. 80,000 minus 50,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 10,000. And next one increase in debtors excluding debtors acquired by issue of shares. 1 lakh is equal to 30,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 40,000. This is called 1,50,000. This is called cash outflow from operations. And next, show the next one. This is a cash outflow from operation. And next income tax paid 25,000. Income tax paid 25,000 is equal to 90,000. Net cash from operating activity. This is called net cash from operating activity. And next one, cash flow from investing activity. Next, cash flow from investing activity. Show the cash flow from investing activity. Machinery purchased for cash. Machinery purchased for cash. 2,80,000. This is a 2,80,000. Third one, cash flow from financing activity. Cash flow from financing activity. Cash flow from financing activity. Cash proceeds from issue of shares. Cash proceeds from issue of shares. Issue of shares 1 lakh. And cash proceeds from issue of debentures. Cash proceeds issue of debenture. Cash proceeds for 2,10,000. This is a 3,10,000. This is a net cash flow from financing activity. This is a net cash flow from financing activity. Activity. remaining solution and next lectures. Thank you for all of you and thank you for everyone.